Hi, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am fine too. May I ask you some questions?
Sure, please go ahead.
How important are clothes and fashion to you?
It's very important. I think it represents what kind of person you are. I like to dress accordingly. For example, I like to wear casual clothes when I'm home or on a holiday, whereas I do prefer it formal at my work or in a business trip.
What kind of clothes do you dislike wearing?
Well, I dislike wearing these random weird clothes, like ripped jeans. I rather like my clothes nice and tidy.
What clothes do you wear to special occasions?
It actually depends on what kind of occasion it is. For instance, if it's a birthday or a wedding party, I like to dress casually. However, if it's a traditional occasion like Eid or Pohela Boishak, I prefer traditional stuff.
How different are the clothes you wear now from those you were 10 years ago?
Well, it's very different. The sense of clothing and fashion has come a long way over the last decade. And also 10 years ago, I was a student. So I mostly wore casual clothes and didn't bother much about it, whereas now I choose my outfit to suit my occasion I'm wearing it to.
Do you like to wear special costumes?
Yes, I like to wear special costumes. I think they are very fun and allow us to show off our creativity.
Did you try any special costumes when you were young?
When I was young, we used to have fancy dress competition in my school. I remember one year I dressed up as a robot and won second prize. My mother is very creative and made me the costume at home from aluminum foil-covered cardboard boxes. It was such a cool costume and all my friends loved it.
When was the last time you wore special costumes?
The last I wore a special costume was last year for my friend's birthday. My friend did a Bollywood-themed party at her house for her 18th birthday. We all had to dress up as famous actors, actresses. I decided to dress up as actress Deepika Padukone and copied her look from the movie Padmavati.
Did you ever buy special costumes?
I have never bought special costumes. I like to create them at home using clothes and things I already have.
Do you have a lot of nice clothes?
Yes, I think I have a lot of nice clothes. I do most of the shopping for myself and I like all the clothes I have.
Would you say clothes are expensive in your country?
In Bangladesh, everyone has a different earning and buying capability. So there are clothes available that are not too costly, and then there are the very expensive designer clothes that are also available.
How often do you go for shopping for clothes?
I go shopping for clothes when I need something. I am not a shopaholic and don't buy clothes on impulse.
How often do you buy clothes online?
I buy clothes online very rarely, only when, for some reason, I am not able to go to an actual store.
Do you like to wear hats?
Yes, I wear hats when I go out in the sun or when watching a match in the stadium.
What kind of hats do you have?
I have a baseball cap, woolen caps for winters, a beret, and some fashion hats.
Where do you like to buy hats?
I usually buy hats at a store where such accessories are available, and some such stores are there in nearby mall. I have also bought a couple of them online.
Is wearing hats popular in your country?
Yes, wearing hats is popular in Bangladesh. In different towns of Bangladesh, there are different types of hats that are a part of traditional attire. These days, hats are very popular among the young generation. They wear them as a fashion accessory.
What clothes do people wear for formal occasion in your country?
Well, most people in my country wear formal clothes. For instance, formal trousers and shirts, or suits on formal occasions, such as business meeting.
Do clothes represent people's culture?
Yes, they do. People of certain race, religion, class, and place wear certain kind of unique clothes which distinguish them from other people. For example, the Arab people's clothing is very difficult from that of the Chinese people.
What are the traditional clothes of your country?
The traditional clothes for men in my country are lungi, Punjabi, and for women it's sari. However, young females also wear salwar kameez. And of course, there are certain tribal ethnic groups in Bangladesh, for instance, the Chakmas, the Manapiris, and the Garos who have their unique clothing, such as skirts, blouse, and shawl.
Do you think people's clothing tells about their personality?
Yes, I do. I think the clothes people wear represent them. It tells a lot about their personality. One doesn't necessarily wear expensive clothes, but they should dress appropriately.
Is it important for the people to maintain certain dress code for certain occasion?
Yes, it is. From my point of view, people should dress accordingly. If there are a certain dress code for a certain occasion, they should follow it. Otherwise, they're going to be the odd one out, which I believe isn't pretty.
It's been a pleasure talking to you. Thanks for your time. Goodbye. See you again.
Bye. Take care. See you soon.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe my channel for more videos.